Yo ass finna get burnt. Spitting out babies like they Skittles.
Don't be saying too much crazy shit. Y'all going on YouTube.
Give a fuck. Dumbass shit.
This what the fuck they have us out here doing in the middle of the goddamn night. And shit going on.
Think I popped.
Yep, I be making YouTube videos and shit.
Oh shit. Get me fucking famous, dude. I need some cash. Shit.
Turn around, Thompson.
Yeah, you gotta get
on.
Got this ugly ass nigga grill, PFC ass nigga.
I'm probably gonna be a PLC for about the next 4 or 5 years.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I told her if they give me sergeant, I said I just might stay. I said you don't give me a sergeant. I said I'm getting out this shit and going air guard.
Hey, can you come over here real quick? He need the light. Hold on, wait on him.
Let me, I'm gonna get up there right quick. Hold on.
I loosen this shit. You can come up here. Nah, my shit you gotta get under. I'm just gonna wait.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my shit gonna wait. I ain't trying to get done quick and meet their ass halfway anyway.
I'm not neither, bro. How was it doing in here?
We didn't do this shit. Oh, you talking about this?
No.
No, just twist it. Alright, tell me how you do it. Yeah, you twisting the wrong way. It ain't got that lock on there. You can just start twisting it, can't it?
Extra working.
Oh God. Hey, I ain't had a lock on. I had to do mine like that. We're just gonna pop his together, boy. Mine, we gotta go back over there and do this same shit we doing and locking that bitch in place. Yeah. Bro, they don't give a fuck how this shit really is, though.
That's the military for you, man.
They should have a team to do this shit. A spanning team. Cause I would have been a part of it. As long as this all I had
Could
to
have
do.
ran 3 shifts. Day, first, second, and third. Get that shit done.
This shit would have got
6
this
to
shit
2,
prepared.
a 2 to 10, and a 10 to 6.
But the train don't come in at 5. I watched the train come in today. It came in like 5:15.
In the morning?
Nah,
In the
in
evening?
the evening. The tanks.
Oh, but this shit been over here all day.
Probably so.
That's what I'm saying. This shit could already been getting worked on.
Probably.
So then once I get it loose, then what? Oh, it loosens the tension.
Uh-huh.
Chain
But-
on that.
And you know, you also got to do the same thing on that side.
Yeah, we gotta do this in the same way. That's why we finna just work on one.
Alright.
That's why I said we need somebody to hold the light for us.